I went from working over 40 hours a week and still living paycheck to paycheck to quitting my job, making my yearly salary in a month and living a soft life. What rich women won't tell you is that making money for women is not about your work ethic, your discipline, or working harder. It's actually far simpler than that. That is sickening. And the moment that you see it, you can't unsee it, and your entire life starts to elevate. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how making money for women is so easy. People tend to associate making money and success with hard work, being busy, doing things on your own. But you can make a lot of money, get paid for who you are, how you think, and not how many hours you work. And I'm going to show you how. What a lot of people don't realize is that we all have a money story that impacts who you are, how you think, and how you live. If you grow up believing and being told that if you don't work hard, you will never have anything in life, that will perpetuate your hustle mentality, and you will become the person who is constantly hustling and chasing. If you grew up being told money doesn't grow on trees or there's rice at home, that perpetuates your scarcity mindset, where you believe that there isn't a lot of money around, then that you have less access to money. The first thing you need to do if you want to make money easily is do the one thing that only 1% of women are willing to do. Because yes, you might want more, the bigger house, traveling business class, the soft life, but 99% of women will never have that, because a lot of women make the mistake of starting with finding ways of making more money, starting the business, creating content, without aligning those actions to who they are. The way that I see it, making money, just like anything else in your life, is directly linked to your identity, the way that you see yourselves, your beliefs, your values, the way that you think, and the way that you act. So in order to make money easily, you need to become the woman who makes money easily. You have to get to the root cause of your current identity, break away from the identity, and embody your feminine identity. Starting with the identity that you have to work hard to make money, and the root cause is being in survival mode, not having direct examples of women who make money easily, society being built on masculine structure of doing, working hard, hustling. Think about it, some of the most hardworking people are people who struggle the most. Teachers, people who work in healthcare, hospitality, people who work overtime but they're still struggling to make ends meet, to put food on the table. They live in paycheck to paycheck. But that's the masculine way of making money. Masculinity is about doing, whereas femininity is about being, attracting and not chasing, saying no to the things that don't align with you, because you have the confidence that your cup of blessings is overflowing. So you just be, and you embody your feminine identity by reprogramming your mindset of your value as a woman, adopting feminine habits and routines, how you present yourself, and the people you surround yourself with. When you embody your feminine identity, you start flowing instead of forcing. You start attracting instead of chasing. The second thing you need to do if you want to make money easily is something that nobody talks about. As a woman, if you can attract a man, you can make money easily. And no, I'm not talking about selling yourself or doing OF. In the Bible, Esther used her beauty to convince the king to revoke the order to execute the Jews. He valued her beauty, which made him value her opinion. But a lot of women are worried about the wrong things. I don't know what I'm good at. I don't have anything to sell. Why would anyone buy anything from me? And all you have to do is elevate your appearance. And I used to dress for the male gaze in revealing provocative pieces. People didn't take me seriously, didn't have any opportunities, and I wasn't getting paid. But when I started dressing for the female gaze in feminine and modest pieces, I started attracting paid opportunities and high-paying clients. Whether we like it or not, people are unconsciously shallow, and they use appearances and how people present themselves to make judgments on how valuable they are. We're all guilty of this. Throughout the day, we are constantly making decisions about people, deciding if we like them or not, deciding if they're valuable or not, and whether we want them to be around us. Your looks matter. They are part of your brand and create a story of how people see you, perceive you, and treat you. Attraction is universal. It's not just limited to dating. So as a woman, if you're not leveraging your beauty or femininity, you're leaving easy money on the table. When you know how to present yourself, your beauty, your style, your energy, people notice. Clients notice, opportunities notice, brands notice. You need to adopt beauty and grooming routine. Dress with class. Make sure your hair is always done. Keep your makeup simple. Have a signature scent. Walk with elegance. Have a skincare routine and speak confidently. Some might say, who cares? But these small shifts will change your entire reality. The next thing you need to do if you want to make money easily is to monetize your life. The harsh reality is that wealthy people and people who have the freedom of time are not working a 9 to 5. Athletes, footballers, actors, musicians are making millions from something that potentially started off as a hobby, something that they're naturally good at, or something that they genuinely love and would have been doing anyway, even if they weren't being paid for it. Martha Stewart used her natural skills of cooking and hosting to build a $1 million empire. And what people saw as just homemaking is what led her to being successful and wealthy. There is another way of making money instead of the conventional way of going to school, getting a job, working your way up the ladder. Especially as women, it is in our feminine nature to be creative. You are the product, you are the business. People will buy into you and whatever you're selling. Your true value and what's going to get you paid lies in who you are, how you think, what you love, what you're good at, your truth and your lived experiences. It's about looking inward and not outward, identifying your unique moneymaker and trusting that you are the source of your own income. That's how you get paid to exist, for being you, for how you think and not how many hours you work. Next thing you need to do if you want to make money easily is to have damsel energy. A lot of women have strong independent woman energy where they believe they can do every and anything on their own. They don't ask for help and they don't need anyone. They are unconsciously and unknowingly leading with their masculine energy. They are doing instead of being. And although we do need some level of masculine energy to get things done, be productive, take the action, it is not in our feminine nature to lead with masculine energy. It leads to stress, burnout, illness, and doesn't actually get you the results that you desire. That's because men and women are different. Men have a 24-hour cycle, which means it takes them a shorter period to reset, whereas women have a 28-day cycle, which means it takes us longer to reset and recalibrate. It's not in our nature to be constantly chasing, but to attract. The women who are willing to receive, the women who understand that they can't do everything on their own, nor do they want to, the women who are willing to ask for help, those are the women who are winning and making money easily. Strong, independent women energy is actually distractive. It's repelling. It's communicating to people that you know everything, that you don't need anything from them, and that their presence and help is unrequired. It leaves you stuck in the same place, not leveling up, and not making the kind of money that you want. When you tap into your feminine damsel energy, people can feel that. They want to help you. They want to give you the advice. They want to connect you with the right people. They bring your name up in the right room and are constantly throwing opportunities your way. The message here is you don't have to hustle. You don't have to work hard in order for you to make money as a woman. If you want to make money easily, you have to embody all aspects of your feminine identity. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity, money and business. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye lovelies.